saa cia bilingi wa mauvo.
Ni saa 3:30 na o ni vilingi wa mauvonye ni tawa Caroline Mweni wa Muteti ni thi wanditethia ni sana kesha rondinda oloku nengelelea vilingi kuanzia ya mekuoni waku nitukosa nambani ya ile 391 kana uthi mutandaoni wa Facebook ni Mutongoi TV ni ya mwema mauvo watondo tukumbanisye kuanzia ya ukuvi.
Ala tukumbanisye ni vamwe na
Senator Molote ni ODM Beth Sengo kwa sia waki yao cha NZU useleto ni akamba kwithi wangalikoni ya ulei. Ekalimata na River na Garissa kukundwa madhami ye kula kutulu kumana na silanga wa masinga kutula. Musumbe William Ruto kukulia tongo yelame ukwata mbao mukoma wa matakitale mama ive moene. Na silikali ya katena ila ya kaunti ya Masaku kukwatiania kwa kaiwanda siya kwa ile utande vya kaunti ni ino.
Vilingi wa mauvo.
Tuambelila vilingi wa mauvo Senator Molote na chama cha ODM Beth Sengo ni waweta waki au cha NZU kuu ya mwingia katikitui wende kuikusia kumano na silikali nene kuvadhula maendeleo isioni ile siethitwe ikwata mbau ateti ngalikoni ya ulei. Senator Beth Sengo ni wakule mukule wa minister wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen na ene ndima mwingia kati na kaundi ya kitui maeleweniki waki wa minambe wa miaka ile utathela kumaila ambanga nthuku yekiwe usini wa NZU na kutia andumbe wa miongo 3 matena dhayo. Benjamin Mwakano kutuelezea.
Mbanga nthuku ya ngali usini wa NZU kuya mwingia kati ila atiembe wa akuwa miongo 3 matena dhayo. Yethitwe kila ivinda yukilia kio cha ekalikisioni ki kana kiao cha NZU ni chaile itha chaso viwe na kuminwa. Na yu Senator Molote na chama cha ODM Mwandu Beth Sengo nwakulia kuislamu vya wakui makulio maito kwenye movango wa waki aoki cha NZU.
The committee should 1. Provide an explanation for the continued delays in the construction of NZU River Bridge despite previous government pledges to prioritize this project following the tragic events of 2021. 2. State specific measures being implemented to ensure that the completion of NZU River Bridge is expedited, stating a revised and realistic completion date.
Kuyana na Senator Sengo ni kana kulea kusobwa kana kuendea kwa waki aoki cha NZU kwina kianda kinene na silikali nne kuvadhula hene ndisioni ila singalikoni olei na nikindu cha ndoni.
Kuhusu waki aoki ya NZU niona withitwe wi mulelu kana uitwa isiombola ni kwithwa wiki sioni kia ulei katika utongo wa Kenya, lakini ni hizo wa serikali ni kwithwa ene nzima mwingi Central Market County ni meba court na kuuma ile kuthukumwa etheme serikali ni kana me uleini ma ile kuthukumwa equally na alangi ene nzima Kenya nundu ni maiba court.
Kuyana na Senator wingi ni kana vena makulio maingi kukonya ilo vila sia nenganwe kuungamia mulati huu undu siatumikie na nikimbe wa miaka ilio yuva tena matambia ona amwe makuminia waki ya okino.
Ni chao kithiwe na thina na serikali ni abie na yaumia kana woloto wa kwa kachaukiu kwa mitukile tonyeka. Na ingi serikali ni ele kuelesia enende na kalima Kitui County. Serikali ya county ya Kitui nayo ina kisio kiba kio kwatila yulua uthukumyusu wa kiao kia NZU River.
Waweta hevi ndani kwina mbua mpingi hikoma siondesi andi ekali ma NZU na mwingi ondumwa na kaunti ya Kitui kwa wamwembe na wia kana memu isione munene wa mbanga ingi usini huu na kiaoki ni chaile useubwa na kuminiwa na mituke. Kivolo wakila yukimbe wanzama ya mbunge ya seneti ya ukui na kienda mausungi wa makutu kuma kwa movia wa ukui na malelu.
Nina wia nundu mbua niende na usu nutona kwete mbanga ingi kuni kulasia serikali mawete kithesio waki kiao kia usi wa enzio waongamie niki na mai maku kosa itambia na mituke ithieta kalima muingi sendro na Kitui County nitwaile kweyumelia na demand akietu
vilingi wa mauvu wa miakoni ya mbunge ya Senate ni Musino Ilovi ndilivotia vilingi wa mauvonye nito wa Benjamin Mwaka
andiki atene kamevyani ya usesei wa nthini Raymond Omondi na wa mwaki Alex Wachira ni maumia witano kuimba ile ituenga likonia ithio ya silanga wa Masinga Tana Delta na monomono kaunti ni cia Tana River na Garissa kuthamia kundu kutulu ni kwithavena muiso wa kiwu kingi itina wa silanga wa Masinga kutola na vala kiwu kiende kuongeleka maana na kavindani kalama ivikite silanga ni uyu wa Masinga kuthuima iwango cia kiwu kila kiminite na utola Ben Musau na mauvo
kumana na mbua mbingi la yende na ukusi wa isioni mbingi vanthi ya Kenya na kutuma silanga wa Masinga uswa UUN ndi alama twethio wa silanga uyu nimendeka kuthamia kundu kutolu ni kana kwivetangana na muisio wa kiwu kingi na monomono kaunti ni cia Garissa na Tana River.
The Masinga Dam, where we are today, already is overflowing, and we expect that the last dam downstream, which is Kiambere, will also start overflowing in a matter of hours, if not days. And what that means is that the communities that live downstream in the Tana Delta, particularly the counties of Garissa and Tana River, are at very great risk of being displaced with a lot of casualties if adequate precaution and care is not taken. And therefore, we are basically sounding an alarm and asking the communities in the two counties particularly that they listen and take heed of the advisory that we are giving today, that they need to relocate.
From the time we started the heavy rains, we have not spilled yet. Last night, 30 minutes before midnight, that's when we started to overflow in Masinga. We have still not yet overflown in Kiambere, but it's just a matter of time with the increased flows.
Movea wa mwaki vanthi ya Kenya ni wa maikithisia ene ndita mena walani wako mantha usungio wako toa yulu wa kiwu kiivo kwambatanje silanga uyu wa Masinga ni kana utonye kuya kiwu kingi ovamona kwa kasilanga monene wa Grand Falls ni kana kukwata kiwu ki.
As you can see, Masinga is already overflowing. That is a good sign for us in Kengen because it means we can be able to generate more electricity using water. And you know, hydro generation is the cheapest form of generation at the moment in this country. And therefore that means that when we have more hydro generation, then the cost to the consumers through our offtake Kenya Power is lower.
Mumbunge wa Garissa Town eweta yuyuno kwithiwa imaikithisia ene nthi maketa me muisioni na vena vata wa moko thamia kundu kutolu aiweta ona kiwu kini kitumite uemisioni cia Garissa uemela kumana na wasio mwingi.
Rains are blessings to our country and we can't complain about them. What we need is to how to mitigate those effects of these waters. We have firm commitment from the Ministry of Energy that they will do two projects. One is the high ground dam past Kiambere, which actually affects us downstream. Masinga overflow might not be the biggest challenge for us because even at the height of El Nino, we did not have that overflow from these dams, but we had effects of rains that rained after the Kiambere dam. So I want to appreciate the government through the PS Energy and through PS Interior for bringing me here also to tell my people that there is a looming danger. The dams of Masinga is overflowing. Means the net effect will be that the wastewater will reach Garissa in the next 3 days.
Vilingi wa Mavomo Tongo TV kuma vasilanga wa Masinga County ni ya Masako nyeneta wa Ben Musau.
Musumbi William Ruto ni wakani atongo yela maende ukwatamba umukoma wa matakitali aitetakana maende kuimanthi anguma sia kiuteti kui NND ainene avomani nene ya Kenya ilovi Musumbi Ruto ni wasakana atongo ya mailite kumaiva mo ene kila mekwenda kungi serikali ya katini ya kulwetwa isi onenanya na matakitali kavindani ka mukoma wa wende ndiyonde nikana kuthinikia mathina alamevo tamaundu mandevi nikana matakitali ya masioke wiane na mwenendi aithuku mwa kwanzia ilamba ilu ni ukulwe ulowo mwene ya mwe mathuku mimanga ingwatanio ya makanisa ma IPC va Kenya matongo ni Reverend Simon Muvengi wa kanisa wa IPC kaudha mwingi Lina Musangi ena mauvo
Nene ya umba na unio mamusini wa ilovi Musumbi William Ruto nuvutheise tambia ya imwesi ya ndongo iko kwa tamba wetambia ya mkomo wa matakitali ya weta ndongo taikwenda kwa yosi ya nguma siya uteti na vala wa weta ndongo wetha nisio kwa tamba mkomo nisele kwitha mustali ni wambe kuiva matakitali kavindani kani wa weta nzei ya Kenya taina mathina maingi manena ange mauthinikia kwa kiyo vutheise mawendekethio ma matakitali kenda kusiokethia mawiyani.
We have a doctor's challenge. We can hardly pay because we've said, you know, there are real issues we want to deal with. You have leaders who it is in their place, including governors, saying we support the doctor's strike. Really? If you support the doctor's strike, pay the money they are asking for. I mean, so we must stop chasing what is popular. We must go after what is right.
Yengeni maweta kana ndongo ni selo twaise maendeleo isioni ineti kukwata mbao mkomo wa matakitali no kenda kukwata nguma otaua kumani alama na aliana na kuvingwa kwa kundu kula kutea wanzo vingu na Mungu.
You have a whole cabinet minister. We are having a conversation about drug abuse, alcoholism. And you have leaders who are saying, no, you shouldn't be closing bars. You are mistreating people. Really? Okay. Because what are we chasing? Popularity.
Uneni wake weuka wiki umweti na wandongo isangwata neo ya ule ya azimio la umoja wa Kenya kutesa kukwata mbao mkomo wa matakitali.
And if they do not stop this strike, obviously Kenyans are free to join. Apparently the only language you understand ni kwenda kwa mitaa.
Una huyo vo ndongo isa kanisa wa IPC vanze ya Kenya sunene aomba na umwe kanisani wa IPC kaudha musini wa mwingi ni makule serikali yekitheni athinikia mawendekethio ma matakitali na ala yumukomo womi ni tembe wa mwiyumwe kindu kila kitamba ikite witi vanze ya Kenya
ni tu kulia serikali yo lolosiengo ni kwitho ya leko lolosiengo litonya kunena na mwenenzi yo lolosiengo itikile kwikalanzi manene na daktari ni kana muwau ula muwau na akiatetheke we awau matathi bandu mataetethia we awau matena utonyi wa kuthi hospitali manene na asu ni makuomea ni tu kulia NND na momomisie na mobo ya ndino itu.
Unenini wake Peter Mutamiola ni mutongo ikanisani uune wakule matakitali na mamololo siongo na kulilika na wivito woka vindani kalama isa kithito chawea na kuende ya na udhuku maenenzi no kenda nenzi maike kuumia ondumana kwa sema dhayo kumana na uiti kuonza masivitalini.
We need to have our doctors to be humane enough. We know that they are fighting for their rights. We know it is within the constitution for lobbying, for peticking, but we want them to be humane enough.
Netuisi metetea right sio metetea musala inde maitetea musala malilikane yoloa wivitu wala mebetie yoloa mathayo mando na moisuvia mathayo mando.
Wataunu wakule serikali kuikia mitalatila ila ili no kenda uiti wa ile na matakitali agusokethia mawiyani wanakuithia veutue kanzi ya Kenya ni yende na kukitana na gharama yolo ya mekalile.
We are the ones who elected this government and we have faith in it. So we are telling them to sit down. We know the economy is hurting, but regardless, people have to talk.
Kuripotia Vilingu wa Mauvo ni Lina Musangi.
Sivitali munini wa Kithuani kuu ya matungulu ya uthuiloni wa Sua kauntini ya Masaku ni umwe wa ilite uteithia utalo munene wa NND atondu ithitu ithukuma vandu va ilungu ya miaka mbe wa 10 no kana kwitana mwenenthi silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ni yambisia mivango ya kwaila sivitali unthini wa kikalo kila chatwaiwe ni MCA wa Kisioki Rafael Nzau laki maofisa kuma kauntini ya Masaku vamwe na NND. Rafael Nzau aineneti na wa kikalo kini wenda NND masuvie milati yonthe ila yaetwa kwa kwithiwa mwako wa sivitaliu withito yanangwa na mali kungewa na kutia wasio. Boni Mutisia ena mauvombe ange.
Rafael Nzau wainena na enendhia ya makule maethia wa maisuvia marela manengo ni serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kanome vya kivathukanyo wikithania thwa ya uningo kuona kwa kwanangika kutia wasio kanangala manene.
Ni sivitali wa kiro kila kindu wekiro kila kindu atelito kiu na kulikana kitale lakini you vandalize iwe muno. Na nengi governor ni walika ni watu nenga pesa yitu yaka upya ikito syulu nyine kulia enende baba andu ala mmoja asindu isu ni mumesi na nesiana sienu na natu imenyu no ithito subya sivitali uyo twasiule lwe sivitali witu tumekishua ungei ni wathela ko yo muomo manonda kitale ndeuka na nduka hiitwa na nauo rona kupalu kweka moto ko zemba baba na uyema kuitwa nono nule kilie muomo wathi enende makithuane mbesa isu ti cia serikali mbesa isu ni cienu maya mako isubia tala wasio kwako nundu cia cia kithuane ina zaubia bandu bangi kwa una mundu losie security begins with you inyu andu makithuane ni new security ya sindu ila cia kithuane na ni mali yenu kwa utu subia
vaenda alamothie kana kungia miyo la yatumika nthini wa hospitali munini wa Kithuani matiani namo no kana mose matambia makimia kana kuivia mali la yene mothie
vanda lazima la yithire yende chama ni wasia tukwateanie tuatie mundu tio sio mali ya uma ithi na mundu na iwisikie na baikili wau atongo ila manda matabitu chu nundu ndi mesikie record make sure document sindu isu ni siate wana isionekana na siatungwa baba
the hospital una wonu usioke uthukumi tho ithenikia utalo munene wa NND na lamba nda isio ndasa mimanda maundu mawiti o ila hospital utana matetha cia
utone kutethia andu ma baba ni kwasia kana kuma baba ku hospital la bakubi ni kilomita 1 kuinguloni kuimita abo ni kilomita zaidi ya 10 na kindu kwa na ni radius ya bakubi kilomita 10 radius kwa catchment yibo ona ni kuya governor either weti yari nonguka inga kwa kutrone kuongela sibitali uyu unene bange nundu dinezi kwa ibindo inini witha usiepyo ukwete mpaka kuikoma ni mpaka ilobi ba sibitali ngalesu na sibitali wale 10 ando zaidi ya koma uwetete ando kuko uko 10 ando kadhana ona zaidi ya kadhana kangundo uwetete ando kundo sibitali lengi next baba ni kangundo na lengi ni kadhiane ile kumaanisha governor on a next budget nini sinunza obeza katangini unaambia kasangini ni next financial year lakini huyo katwiki amebangoni une
hospitali wa Kithuani wiza urulite community yakuma mwisiani AIC koma ciulunguni Kithuani mitaboni ba mukukuni ona ngina kathana onde makaiti awaba na twitunga mubeanu rwa obisi wa wabina
Otau ukulio yumwa kwa serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku thinikie kusovya ndu wilai katikati wa hospitali uyu na ileta itho inya cha kiwisio ni siandwani na kuvikia utalo munene wa NND sio nithi
twina mboho lionje wanza na nienziwe na ndia reticulate ndia ikiwa machines ndia mkiwu na utu iwo the all radius yesu na unenga ya uiti ona kiwuma la tasioku utu iwo nyuza wa kiucha mibuko na mana na mbuzi oweze ke mawu maingi mambilazi anasiao ndotu tukie pap machine no pombo ndo yeye babanza tukie kiwu ando amandono nya kiwu kitheu ona mamevunie kuza me living standard yo siambatanga
kaunti ya Masaku nyene Toboni Mutisia
Enende kuma wingi mi mwingi ni menda tongo ikuma mwingi evo muyumbe wa mwingi ya kate Gideon Mulyungi alikile katina kumetana na masaveya alame uwetu atamauve na ithe kasio kwanzia sia ulusani na kunenga andu aingi mainena na Mutongo TV musini wa kitui kavindani kalame umanda akia undu meukwata ithe kasio ile iminite kuoswa ni masaveya ni maweta ithe kaisu inengwa enendi alame na ukwati wa yulu valame kwenda tongo imalikile na kuitana mwenendi wa ukwati munini na ula ameweta tawa wende na uvinyewa ndini wa iseso yu Onesmus Chalo ena mauvo.
Enende kuma wengemi ila mwingine mende na kumanda akitino idhekasio kutilanywa cha vinyana kwa nyone masaveas na kunengwe andu ange enende asuna alamine na vilingo movo musini wa kitwika vindane kalame umanza undo meutetheka kukwati idhekasio ili minite na kuoso nimenda atongoi evo muyumba wa mwingi ya kate Gideon Mulyungi aligilile katina kumeta na eseso yu na ilama uweta tayetua iso kuna alame na ukwati na kuotia enende mwakwati munini matena maweka loto na makuelesia
na wakabani ngagele jawo kila chotuwe mbeza ve yoka eogie no ngamije ke kaja kwa yuta pewa na chiu no ngamije ne jiro ya nyake ne jiro yako one nudi kira na ke kaja kibu na ine na kwandia hajona bimela na bibi ndia muona okiro chongamwa ina meje me kutavia ke kaja kwa akikungamwa tuodi madia amadi jana tabe yongama ngama bantu ba mi itatu ila meji kuka ne to tamandu ne wani makoka ke kana kuwa wala mogi mwaka maatwika mogi odengeleka na jiwe na zikali makuwa kuungamia kitaka kidilani na binya na hii jana jao kwa pe mungu kutumwa kili kitaka kidilani na jadilani ngo ambata ni mano biti chumwe na tiuoka
mainena mawete seso yi thito yungamone mofisa mavolisi ni lekasio kutilanywa cha vinya valai mambesi kumanda ondo meukwata ileka isu nile minute na kuosa batema wiwa no katewo na maseveas alama to isi seso yebu
to ite ileka situ to apa la atiwe na ile maito miaka mbingi na kutethina indi la save inoki pede wana thina munene wanda kubeno ileka sio kithaka ja moito wako nikitilanye kati atuina mwana wao kitumea neto ndio kwata aki kuma kwa mawiti ma savei no kada tito mbeza mbingi ila tutatana okwata na nondo akwa wane mbeza ya penika na mundu lawe na mbeza mbeyanu za unenge savei ilo no kwenda no kwandike waketheka na nondo ithie to yae na mbeza ya bidi kethaka kitu no kiandike wa the area chief na family yake
ingine maweta kana itheka ni methito mekalita vandu wa miaka kauta na endwa mo aingi mathikitwe nthini itheka isu na ine kendo cha komacha kuona maikuwa mawikaloni bo na kunengwe andu angi
winyembe iro hiyo jawa genene ni kitheka kichako nyeni wa thina mwingi ni kitheka kichako ni kwithani na jana na ziena bale jitona kwikala winye ni boete bandu kuboya siani zia kwa zina thina si zugulu si zondi kwika inye mbeito nyinu kidabala mwi nye mundabye ni kata mundu ekuyendago
tutete ile tuthenie muno na nito kwenda haki yoneke niko thatu zinaweza kikana mheshimiwa Mulyungi ndo ndeta ulotani na ndo ndeta jando ndiwa na hii ni ndiwa cia kwithenio na je to safiri kiasi kwichonde mpaka ithi kwa corruption sio manda haki na thino wako na bana wa makeratu na ithe kaingi choza ni chief na bana wa makata sitting chief na atoka na zikale ma KPR alama andikiwe kutia Somali matweke moka kuungamia ketaka cha mundu ndiwa chotilanwa kati anatumwana no beibuti yetu na kikweli neto kule mheshimiwa Mulyungi rutete nikuthaina ruki keke ka area yaku
ninandikie balua nandikia National Land Commission na EACC na matuma ya twa Nairobi na balua ya mino ni bikie Nairobi na ni stambiwe kwa unetele kona usunge musio serikali chosa matanjala mailete makemeo na nikana yuwithie undu nwamina kuminwa neza wanza andivoro ukunikiliwe kwa kula wailete nikana andwala maite mali yo itumbwe andwala maite mbeza sio inenga mitungwe na nundu serikali itu ni serikali nze unetekeko nitukirikala nezaki pala bembuti na bekeko nicho youlwa na andwani mwakwataki
etina wakivu wakesio kecha wengemi kuwetwa nthini wa kilenge isiki ndikumbanisya livoti nene tatia kumuvikia kwanzia ya simono kana au maluka sanzu kana ni wethe ito itumia mawisa make ma polisi utethese maseveas asukwanya itheka isu cha vinya na balam simu yake ite ulika itina kwethia muteja telivoti avilingwe movo Mutongo TV kuma kaunti na Kitui neto Onesmus Chalo
Ende musaisa mwendwa ni vindesyo ya kosa udhumo monini na tutanamba kuthinthini wothiu mweka nose woni wa Angelina Mwendeni ni CNN ya kiao cha enzi unakasia kwanza nye ona ndisi ngesila ndiye nuka na nienda kuinuka one ethi wako ile o ndiye nuka nyemwa ngenuka mwamina kiao kiunaende ni mubia mundui Angelina Mwendeni woni wake tuamba kosa udhumo monini ni tusiokethetie.
Musese witu mwendwa Mutongo TV ni avwila ukambani na yakwata nzeve ya luma na watu mevusa ye kufikia mamilioni ma andu alama tosiaisi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasithia biasala waku kana kumanithia alama evasa ila mwendo waku watutia kwisila imanithia sia iku kwa mavuombe yange tufikia kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile na itatu mwonza kana ututumia email kwisila sales@mutongoitv.co.ke. Mutongo TV ni yongwatanio ya mukamba tukwatane twaile vyasala situ.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza tune.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him and he will make all your paths straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones. Amen.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza.
Ailia one wa mwana waku na Hippo Junior account. Bingwa Hippo Junior account umunthi ubongene witu ulawipa kupe naku wiyone mbesa ila waiya iyongeleka kwa metuke. Tani ya useo wa uongeleku wa kilungu chaku ya na naundu waiya mbesa yani interest rate opamwe muthenya wa kutana kana fund kumia kana withdraw mbesa uteutilwa kendo na inge mbinge thoke obonge witu ulawipa kupe naku kana utukunie simu kwisila noti muonza ile nyanya muonza kenda muonza ile kwa bombe yange.
Ngewa yaku ni avata vainge wanene muno kana nini muno ambizi ngewa yaku umunthi kwa kuvingwa Absa One account na ujikwatia usio wa kilungu cheko miyulu waje na kila mwaka kwisila mbesa ila wiyete accountini. Download app ya Absa Kenya nikenda uvingwe account. Absa, your story matters.
Ni kalivu ingi musaisa mwendwa. Minister Muvyani wa utandithia na Iwanda Kenya Rebecca Miano ni mwathana kana kithito ni takukilia maundu ma utandithia kauntini ya Masaku. Silikali ya kateku isila Muvyani ni kukwatiana na silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kwa kavando va utwaisi ya utandithia na kwa Iwanda kana County Aggregation Industrial Park ilasi utethesia vanene kukilia ukwati wa NND maukwati munini na kusovya mianya ya mawia. Anene andeto yumba noni wa NSC andakivathukanyo na atandithia ula watu wa iwe Masaku umbanola wivikito ni ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku mwandu wa vinandeti kati wa tongo iange silikali ino na alama dhota itambia yeye silikali ya kati. Daniel Mongela novikie omba nusu na atombanisia livoti tau.
Minister Muvyani wa maundu ma Iwanda utandithia vanthi ya Kenya Rebecca Miano waeleseka na silikali ya kati nikwitha ndikwatiana na silikali ino akaunti ya Masaku akavandu va utwaisia utandithia na Iwanda nikienda kukilia ukwati na kuendelea na usovya mianya ya mawia.
My ministry is also implementing the County Aggregation and Industrial Parks, which we popularly call KIPES, which will foster manufacturing primarily through agro-processing and value addition. I want to find county-branded value-added products in our super stores next year, and I want to find county products all over the world. In fact, we are actively looking for markets for products from Kenya and we do believe that we will live up to the production capacity to take up those markets.
Okavindani kauni walesekana iwanda ini siutetheesya vanene kuolanga kuthoa siendu kuma nthi cia nza na kuthuthia ene nthi mesa ovisi siendu ila nasyo siutetheesya ene nthi maukwati munini aimi ondumwe na amwika kukwata mawia na kwiyaka kiukwati.
The government of Kenya is also committed to facilitating economic growth and development by creating an enabling climate for trade and investment. This involves supporting the development of small and medium-sized enterprises, which comprise the backbone of our economy, through initiatives as the recently launched Karibu Business Support Centers, which will provide comprehensive business registration and facilitate service. We want to revolutionize our service delivery to traders, to investors, and industrialists. We look forward to partnering and collaborating with the County of Machakos to establish a Karibu Center business support center in this region.
Ni uneni ula wakota ambao ni gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ulevikite umbanoni watandithia na ene sianda kivothukanio la watu ya va kiwanzani cha kumbania ene nthi cha Machakos People's Park wala waelesekana serikali yake kwisila kwa muvia wa utandithia ni kusovya mawithiluko makwa ila nikienda kukusisia atandithia kumanza moko twaisya maundu ma utandithia kaunti nino.
Industry and manufacturing is one of the leading sectors in Machakos County. It is the backbone of our economic activities for the county and a large contributor to our on-source revenue. As such, the performance of the sector and the creation of an environment that allows industries to thrive is top in my agenda. This roundtable is meant to be a forum to deliberate on key issues that will spur industry investment and development in the county while ensuring mutual collaboration and benefit to both industry players and the county. By understanding the challenges faced by industry, both at county and national level, we are able to unlock bottlenecks and find solutions for creation of an enabling business environment.
Daniela Mwonkela, Mutongo TV, kumova isangioni ya kumbani ya NND ya Machakos Convention Center, kauntini ya Masaku.
Musumbe William Ruto ni waisekana matambia maki mea ni mwekose wa alame utola mea ya leluni na kutuma vethi wanambanga leluni na ndo kutiwa nidhayo. Ruto ICM tuo ya kuiyelela leluni ni ya elotiwa na mea ikati wa undu vailite ve kuatia nzia ya matukwa ya kukunikila ala mate kuatia mea inwe vamwena kunewa faini ula wailite. Aya sekana vaimundu kutiwa nzamo vangoni wa kuikidia maleluni matume wanesa ni wasekana silikali ni yende kukitana na ulusa ni katikati wa movisa maleluni nundu kiu nicho kimwe kiende kuothothe ya mbanga mbingi cia leluni.
Corruption is an enabler of impunity and a significant contributor to road carnage. We all know how the contribution of corruption aids overspeeding, reckless driving, drunk driving, and allows those who commit these crimes to escape because they can bribe their way through our system. Frequency of road crashes in many parts of our country, and especially in our road network, leading to fatalities and serious injuries, besides other forms of loss and damage. The factors driving this concerning rise in these incidences are many and often involve a combination of low road capacity, poor maintenance of both roads and vehicles, law enforcement of traffic rules, and reckless behavior by motorists, passengers, and pedestrians. Abuse of drugs and alcohol, unqualified drivers, low awareness of traffic rules, and lack of consideration for others all contribute to high-risk road behaviors which endanger perpetrators as well as innocent road users. I urge all Kenyans to observe road safety and report violations as part of their civic duty under community policing. Do not travel in overloaded vehicles and use the earliest opportunity to make sure that you report speeding or recklessly driven vehicles. The police must collaborate with citizens and ensure that dangerously driven public service transport vehicles reimburse fares upon arrest.
Tuisonga na mbele kilungu cha keli na cha katatu cha mulati wale luwadogo kuntu na kila kikuidhiwa kuikwatania kaunti ya Mombasa na Kwale ni kuikwatiwa kuvingwa mitukini Musumbi William Ruto. Muungami munene wa Kenha Ezekiel Odede ni wawetakana yao itatu ila sithi itunga mulati una itina yuni mini we na yuni maende na kuana kaviandesi ya lelusu wadongo kundu kwa kuvanda miti. Lelo uvanite kolanga vanene muationi wangali kikiloni cha feri ovamwena kukilia sekta ya utalii kauntini Isia Kwale na Mombasa. Angelina Moseno tumbanise livotino kwa wethianu.
Kuanana na director munene muvyanu wa waki wa Malelu Kenha Ezekiel Odede ni kana mulati uwa dongo kundu bypass na ulani lelu ula ukwithwa wikwatania isio kivathukanyo cia kaunti ya Mombasa na Kwale withitwe witungwa itina ni waki wa siao itatu walombula kana unimini uko soiva na ni maambesi esesio vandu wa metiute wa lelu utanzia imwe ya kuikithia kana ni kwa na kava.
Mainly because of the very long bridges that are here, 3 long bridges, which we have already finished all of them. Mwache, Sunza, which is behind us here, and Mteza, which is the longest bridge in Kenya. So what we are doing now is basically filling in the gaps and doing the riding surface for the traffic. Anytime from the end of May, we should be done with the major works and we should be able to open the road to traffic.
Mulati uvanito kwa ilevanene maundu mau kuikati wa kaunti isi ili ovamana kuolanga muatianio wangali kumangaliko sia miritini na ndini wa kikililo cha feri vala yu bandu va kutumia masaa eli ene dhima kuidhu wa mai kuenda tika miongo itatu kukila nilesioni i undu ula Odede wawetakana yu maundu mau tandithini makuvikia kwa ila kwa kilungu kinene.
This link will reduce the travel time from Miritini to Kibundani, which is a junction with the road to Lungalunga, to less than 30 minutes. If you go through the city, the island, and through the ferry, you will spend another 2 hours. But driving on this, at most it takes 30 minutes to get to South Coast.
Anauyo mulati uingi withwa uyukilia vanene sekta ya utalii sioni kivathukanyo cia kaunti isi ili ovamana kuolanga vanene ngalama ya maundu ma ukwi.
So it will reduce travel time, it will reduce the cost of travel, and it will ease the operations here. It has also opened this area very significantly.
Mulati uvanito kuvingwa rasmi ni President William Ruto mwaini ukitoa katana vala ene nthima kwithwa maitani ya maundu ma kutambuka na utani thia itino kuvingwa kwa lelu wa dongo kundu bypass. Gilivoti ya vilingi wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itawa Angelina Mose.
Bishop wa kanisa ya Deliverance Sophia John Katundu ni wamenda makanisa ovamwena asi kuithiwa na mivango miailu ya movundi some mwana makuikiithia ciana nisiekonia na maundu makuitethia kavindani kasi emisini. Katundu eweta no kuisilanzia ino ciana mbingi sikevetangana na mituo mithuku yivo utumii wanda wa cia kumila.
Ni asia ibindane ye ya maskulu mabinge nenda kumya wetano kwa siaine kana masovia siana wethe siana icio cianewa mawia nondo yu kwina mbua wene mbuna za mono na leo ni museo mono miondane ciana inewa mawia kuya kume ciene ne kana itone kwika nesa kana tone kwithwa na wingi wa leu twithwa na wingi wa leu na ende ndumwe twaelewa manati kana ciana ithi ni na eto nesa ni na sobeto nesa ni alimo kuya masukulu ni na sobeto nesa nondo kuna ina tidy schedules kana kuna ina mibango ya masomo na kina na ciana ici na imbise yu ciana ini zeletha ciimbise muno kume ciene na ende muno ende ona ito makanisa nengukulia kwa ndaya nikana twoze mwana museo ciana ithi tuciki ma seminars mavindala metho mate committed kuya nthini wa miondani tumekie seminars ciana ithi inewe ndeto cia Ngai ile tona kumaka tona kumaungamia nikana one metho me andu mena kitumi imwe zinaweza kana mavinda kwina unyu mwingi wa trans kana utumei wa mandawa nondo wa idleness kuya kwa mela na zindu cia muthemba ucu na andu aya kila kiziona utumake kana makwe makanisani athuku mangai ni kulia kwa ndai atwake ciana ithi nondo twina cio kuume ciene na makanisani through seminars na zindu cia muthemba ucu ni kana maeke kwithwa na idleness kana kwithwa na kwikala kwa mana nondo mekala mana igwe meoza miana ya kulika nthini wa mandawa na indi tuyithwa na indi muika muthuku na muika mwanangiku na andu matatona kuikiwa na andu matatona kwithwa mena une ukite.
Mbunge kwi umundi ni avitukithia maambasada alama na ikiwe kithimini ni nzama ya mbunge ya usesei na maundu manthi cianza chumwani kivitu ateo ayumbe ni makathi ya itambe ya nzama ikulia kumuvitukithia Charles Githinji Keiru gutuika ambasada kuya Goma DRC iweta itui isianthi cia ileitha atongo imena utuika na ukumba wa kutongwe sianthi sula ya Musumbi ndi ila matumwa kutuika maambasada.
Another nominee is Miss Caroline Kamende Daudi, the nominee for Ottawa, Canada. This lady is a seasoned litigation advocate, well experienced, and actually demonstrated capacity and skills during the vetting. And that shows that she's capable to serve in Kenya and represent the country in Ottawa, Canada.
I want to also go on record that Ms. Caroline Kamene is actually my advocate on record. And I want to thank the President for nominating her as our High Commissioner nominee.
This is the first time the hustler government has rejected its own hustler. The description or definition of a hustler is in Charles Githinji. Even if he couldn't define GDP, you empower because that was your vision. Take him to Goma, wherever you are taking him to, and give him scholarship as well, so that he can represent the hustler government. How can you tell me that he just reached Form 4 or has limited qualifications? That is the hustler, and that is the definition I understand from where I stand.
When the committee resolves to reject a nominee on the basis of that nominee's competence to the position that they have been nominated to, Honorable Speaker, we must give respect to this committee and its members who are honorable members that they have done their work, Honorable Speaker.
That person is the face of the country. That is the face of the president of the country. What they speak, how they attract investment to a country is extremely important. And as such, we need people that will not only market Kenya as a destination, but are able to articulate Kenya's interest abroad and become the real face of the Kenyan people and the missions that they are representing.
As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it.
Munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua ni waikithisia makundi ma UN va Kenya kana vena ngwatanio nzeo kati wona nthi ya Kenya ya kuete maendeleo na kuvikia mawatho mo ainena na ungami ngwatanio ya makundi miongoni na ma UN va Kenya no mataviseka na serikali ya Musumbi William Ruto ni kuendea kukwatiania namo na kuthukuma vamwe na mondhini wa muvango kivathukanio ya kuete maendeleo.
Again, you mentioned it in your remarks. 212,000 farmers and about 6.2 million people in the creative economy. So now, Excellency, with your permission, I will go straight...
I commend the UN Kenya for the strategic set of joint programs being developed by line ministries and UN entities together with a wide range of stakeholders. These UN-supported joint programs cover priorities that go hand in hand in glove with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and the recently launched MT4. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen from the UN family and from our government, together we build a Kenya with a conducive environment for public and private sector to work together through innovative partnerships. A Kenya where economic development is not a short-sighted and linear, but on sound management of natural resources in an increasingly circular economy within the planetary boundaries. A climate-positive economic growth and development trajectory to ensure continued economic growth that is sustainable for generations to come. A Kenya where young people find meaningful jobs, where poverty is reduced and income more evenly distributed.
Itilikite ndateka 15 itina wasa inasyawiyo ni twaminukilelia vilingi wa mauvonye ni itawa Caroline Mweni wa Muteti Sharon Linda niwe wakweta o vilingi kwanzia ya meko tunamuvyawe mwana kwa kumusiaisha mwendo ni kwili wa watambanya na itu ndini wa vilingi wa mauvotu kuendea utukuwa kwa ila.